Right. Let's continue our part 2b, which is about simple sentence structure. In this lecture, we are going to focus on how a Band 5 and Band 6 user utilize the simple sentence in their academic writing task 1. Okay, let's get started. So, a simple sentence is actually the main foundation of English sentence. Every complex sentence is built on a simple foundation, which is simple sentence. So, in order to master the more complex and more sophisticated layer of sentence structure, you must learn about the basic. So, what is simple sentence, by the way? A simple sentence is one independent clause. In other words, this one clause can stand alone and still make sense. Okay, so let's have a look at the formula of a simple sentence. Again, as I stated earlier, simple sentence is one independent clause, which means it must have a subject, verb, object, or complement. So a subject, verb, and object or complement is the simplest complete sentence structure in English. For example, sales increased dramatically in 2018. So in this example, it perfectly aligned with our independent clause, subject, verb, object, and complement. Right, when to use simple sentence structure? Of course, we use simple sentence structure when we open the description, when we state single data points, or when clarity is the priority. So ideal for introducing what the chart shows. For example, the chart illustrates changes in energy consumption. So if you look at this statement or independent clause, you would see that it perfectly aligned with our subject, verb, object, or complement. Right. So how does the simple sentence structure impact a band score? Well, if you use too many simple sentences, you would signal the examiner that you have limited grammatical range and accuracy. It's nothing wrong, but it's just that if you overuse it or use it too much, then of course it's accurate, but it's really repetitive. So what it means is that you get restricted band score. So your band would be somewhere between band 5 or band 6 only. Right, here's a key tip that you should keep in mind. Simple sentences are important, but they must be combined with complex or compound complex structures to demonstrate your ability of grammatical range and accuracy. Therefore, if you aim for a band 7 plus or band 8, then this is the right things to do. Right, that should be it for this lecture, this part of 2A, focusing on simple sentence. I'll see you in the next round.